Hi everyone, today's do-it-yourself replacing the engine air filter in your 2014 Ford Escape. In the driver's side, let's open up our hood release. Slide the hood lock to the right. To the right, you'll notice our air box. Now, let's take a look at the 4 bolts we have to undo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to need an 8mm socket driver. Loosen the bolt, but do not take out the bolt. Lift the cover, but careful not to lose your bolts. Notice our circular air filter. It's actually very clean since I changed it about 6 months ago. Lift one end up and pull off the air filter. Remember this tab at the bottom. Remember that tab I mentioned earlier? It fits into this slot. Before we install the filter back, remember the position of the tab. Now check to see a proper seal. let's reinstall the top portion of the airbox. Making sure to line up all the holes with the bolts. I always tighten opposite corners for a better seal. Well, it's that easy. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.